Cancer, this is your channel messages for the 5th of May. Cancer, okay, so I get a dream message last night, a message in my dream. Me getting somebody's heavy. Okay, so my dream is somebody. It was a Scorpio, but sometime in my dreams, I don't really watch the body. I will watch just the energy. Me getting somebody's, you're heavy. Me getting you're far gone in a drugs. I don't know what you do. This is not cannabis. This is not a cigarette either. Me getting you upon crack, or you upon cocaine, or you upon some type of, I don't know what you upon. I don't know if you're upon methamphetamine or ketamine. Me getting somebody's far gone. Me getting your eye look weird, your skin look fucked up. Me getting you isolating. No, me don't know if somebody have you in a one house. And me don't know if them a prostitute you or them a use you and them not give you no money or no food unless you have sex. Me getting the only thing them would feed you is drugs. The message what me get, the message what the person tell me is something is laced with sugar. Me don't know what that mean. So it's either your shit lace, somebody lace your shit, as in them a sprinkle thing. Like for example, even something as simple as passing the blunt. Me getting that lace of cocaine. That's how the people them smoke it. So if somebody pass a blunt to you and all of a sudden you can't feel your leg them feel weird after you smoke one blunt with somebody, or your body feel tingly. You have a tingly feeling after you smoke a blunt with somebody that lace with either crack cocaine or God knows what. Me getting somebody lace your shit or them give you some of their own for smoke and you can't get off. Me getting a Scorpio, but we're doing Cancer's reading. Me don't know what your mother do to you. Me also getting you go through hell now. Me getting somebody was going through hell, it finished for them. Me getting you go through hell now. But me getting somebody have you fucked up on drugs. Me getting you look terrible. Me getting you know you're far. Me getting the person was saying to me in a dream that I'm too far gone. Me getting some about a female. But she said to me, it laced with sugar. Me don't know what that mean. Me don't know if somebody have diabetes. Me don't know what the expression mean. The expression laced with sugar is what? It implies something is sweetened, often in a way that is deceptive or manipulative. Alright? But me getting, okay, it also says laced of a drink originally refers to coffee bean mixed with sugar in the late 60s. Me getting something is laced with sugar. That's what me hear in the dream. Or me getting the drug where you take it laced. Something laced. This could be a coffee shop, like a Tim Hortons or a Starbucks. Me getting on a something laced in a place. Something is laced in the coffee. That's why people can't stop fucking coming back. You think it's just the coffee why you keep going back? Sweetie, that shit laced. I'm not trying to deteriorate any type of coffee company, but I'm just saying to you, you wonder why that seemed like a ritual to you? You're talking about you're on cannabis. Sir, you can't live without coffee. One day without coffee, you start shake. You start shake like you're coming. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Cancer, the mother, or me getting something about your mother, me getting it a repeat. Me getting you on heavy. Me getting it could be crack. Me don't know what you're upon, but me getting you said to me you gone too far. Yeah, you said to me you said to me you can't get safe. It's a lie, you can. Me getting you under some type of control of a man. And me getting the man having in one room with no furniture. And me getting you up on the ground and the man will say to you, okay, me gonna give you drugs now. You're not getting no food or drugs until 1 o'clock. And you still in the room and you pick your nail and you wait till 1 and him come back in, come get the drug. Me don't know what this is. But me don't know if you need help. Me can't locate where you are. Let's go. Me gonna tell you something. Man are the wickedest. Man are the wickedest. I don't know how you can come from woman and turn around and do that to a woman. Man are the blood clot wickedest. Them are the evilest, them are the wickedest. Let's go. We have a 10 of cups coming out first. Okay, so I don't know if a man did promise you, yeah, come live with me. I want a family from you. I want babies from you. Because me getting when it started beautiful. I don't know if you leave another woman for you, but me getting when you, before all of this shit start, him promise you the 10 of cups. Him say him want get married, him want a family, him want babies. No, him want use you as a dog so him can sell your babies. And while him gonna fucking sell your babies, him need your mind for not be there. So him gonna lace your shit with drugs. So you look like a mad woman. A mad pregnant woman, bald-headed, walking around, looking for drugs. We have a 6 of cups. We have, yeah. Me getting you say you're too far gone. That's why you tell me that the dream Cancer. Me getting it in a one room. Me getting you sit down on the floor. Me getting nothing in the fucking room. Him have you in there. Me getting you don't eat. You look fucked up. Me getting Scorpio. Or me getting you in the basement, lock up on him and him wife, or him and this woman live on the first floor. Me getting one dirty secret is being hidden by this couple. Me getting somebody in the basement lock up. The husband, me don't know if the wife know. Me getting you under somebody control, or me getting the devil have you. Scorpio, the devil have you. The devil did have me one time. Me not lie. One time the devil did have me. Bad. I don't know how I beat it. I don't know how I just get up and say I don't want this no more. I don't know how I do it. But it was done. Me getting you saying you're too far gone. Maybe you're saying you're too far gone because you're saying, oh, if I stop drugs, my gonna hurt, my body gonna hurt. Me getting, this is what I promise you. You took a leap of faith and you went. And me getting you went to a blood clot devil. So me getting, me don't know if you have baby or you don't have the baby, but me getting him have you fucked up on drugs, man. The 5 of Swords. Me don't know if somebody used to deal with your sister and your sister left them and them decide say, okay, you want to leave me, watch me, and deal with the other sister. And you as a sister never say, why am I gonna fuck my sister, man? You run and jump. And the man trap you. Did you ever ask your sister why she left somebody? Did you ask your mother why she leave that man? Did you ask your best friend why she leave that man? No, as soon as the man come to you, you run go jump. Yeah. The man are gonna do you the same thing him do the best friend or the sister. And we don't know if you're strong. Cause me getting somebody do it to get back at you. Or somebody do it so you can't leave. Like you can't take a plane, you can't go back home. If them crack you out enough or drug you out enough, you're not gonna have the conscious of mind for like, bye, go home. Run, you're not gonna run away. You're not gonna run away because you want the drugs. Even if you get abused. Even if you're locked up in a one basement. You're not gonna try to plan your escape because you know when 1 o'clock come, you get more drug. Me getting that's how them hook you. Them have to hook you up on a drug. Them gonna starve you but give you drugs. The 10 of Cups is clarified by the King of Pentacles. You one businessman, one wealthy man. Me getting him have a family already, or me getting something about a Pisces man. Where you meet, it might have been a married man you did meet. 6 of Swords is clarified. The devil again, me tell you, Cancer, me don't know what this. Either him and him, me don't know what this Cancer. Me getting you say, me dream of a Scorpio. When I look upon you, my whole her. And I say to her, what happened to you? I say, you're upon drugs? You're upon drugs, what happened to you? And the person look me in my eye and say, I'm far gone. I can't come back from it. I'm a leg off of them and run to figure out what the fuck is happening. We have a devil 2 times. Me getting not only are you being abused, me getting them a fuck you up with drugs. Me getting heavy. Me not talk about no cannabis. This look feel like ketamine. I don't know if I fentanyl, but me getting is like you're locked up in a one room, you're desensitized, you're just looking, you're not bed. Me getting the room down the furniture, me getting a beer. Me don't know if I want doctor. Me don't know if they might give you drugs as in a tablet where you ingest. But me getting a so them hold on upon you. 5 of Swords is clarified by the, you get like I saw them hold, I'm getting you can't leave. Or at least you won't leave. I don't know if them give you something and by the time them will give you again, I don't know if they might use it for prostitution. I don't know, but me getting a Cancer, me getting a Mother, or me getting a Scorpio. We have a devil here 2 times. And again, if somebody went through this, them left, and the person come to you and you run go jump on it, cause you want opportunity, cause you want proof so you're better. Them do the same thing to fucking you now. And it's either the person who got away have to come back, come save you, or me getting. I don't know if it's an overdose that can kill you, or I don't know what one, but me getting on the forefront. This is how the family look. Family look picture perfect. Me getting you wanna imagine the shit walk one behind closed doors. Or to this girl. This girl. Me getting something laced with sugar. Something about sugar. Maybe somebody's only giving you sugar and water for drink. Remember, me hear that story. How them leave me with. I heard a story one time. How them leave me with babysitters. The babysitter would have starved. From me a baby. Bro, you have to understand, say, from me a baby, me I get tormented. From me a one baby. From before my eye could have opened, abuse is being done to me. That's why when you see me say certain things or you see me treat people certain way, do not say nothing to me. Me hear the argument when I was a baby and I had somebody taking care of me. I don't know if it's true, but I hear the argument that the woman who used to take care of me. I don't know what happened. I don't know what was our vendetta against either me or she never used to feed me. She used to mix a bottle of sugar and water and put it on my head. And then send me to bed. And I think at the time, my parents was running a CD store. They didn't have one store. I tried to run this CD store. And them left me in the hot arms of a nanny. That nanny used to start from me a baby. That woman did not give me feeding for eat. She mixed sugar and water in a blood clot bottle and feed me. From me a baby, me I get this from people who me never even, from before me could have talk for have attitude. People been doing this abusive shit to me my whole fucking life. But you know, I always say that when the bee is fully grown, me go see where you go feed it. When the bee is fully grown, me go see where you go feed the bees. I'm getting something laced with sugar. I don't know what that means. You know what things done to me? From me a baby, bro. From me a baby. I couldn't even act, I not babble. I used to get put under them type of treatment there. So now that the bees probably grow up, I don't want nobody send blood clot nothing to me. Not send nothing to me. When your blood clot to me, you leave me as my blood clot is. I don't want nobody say nothing to me. Look here. This is what I'm shuffling and Scorpio just drop out. Yeah, me tell you some dream about one Scorpio. Is this me a shuffling now? Is there any other ones in there? That is crazy. Okay, look. One other one in there. Yeah. Me getting one Scorpio. Me getting them in this building, them underneath the building. Literally, look, the devil card. Yeah, me getting something about this bit. Me don't know what kind of, is a hotel? Me getting a Scorpio in the building. Or me getting somebody that gonna jump to them death because them can't take it no more. Literally, me just, is this me up? That's crazy. Me just a pulled, let me see if any more in there. No. Yeah, me getting a one Scorpio. That's crazy. Me get it. Me Scorpio tell me say my too far gone. Like me can't come back from it. And me said no. Me said no, you're not. One more. We have curse. Yeah, because I'm getting something moved from somebody else and then you get it. No, I don't know if somebody I got through judgment for what them did to you in the past. I don't know if you don't have the heart for watch them go through the same thing, them put you through. But me getting a fucking, this is what my dream last time, me getting a Scorpio. Me getting the devil 2 times. Me getting it, I gotta take a devil for release, yo. Or me getting a need for run. You have to run. You probably even run without clothes or shoes. Me getting a need for run. I better them lock you up in a psychiatric ward than you stay with this person. But me getting your body gonna hurt because you're not on drugs no more. That's why you don't want to run from this man. But him deep pattern you for believe that. That's the problem. Yeah, in times like these, where the fuck is your God? Oh, you should just pray. What you can do, you just stay in the fucking basement and you fucking pray. Yeah, you just pray every day and God will motherfucking help you. I'm getting, apparently we need to make a collect call to Satan. Forget you out of this. I'm gonna leave this here. Until next time, bye.